Hello everyone and welcome to Peter's Labs. In today's video, we are going to explore the find and replace features in Microsoft Word. Find and replace features in Microsoft Word is a powerful feature to quickly locate and change text throughout your document. It was ideal for making quick changes across large documents, whether you're updating a name, fixing a repeated error, or reformatting text. This tool saves time and effort. So first, let's open up a blank document. Then to use these features, we need to write a sentence. For example, John wanted to eat one to eat two candies, while Jane wanted to eat three candies. Now we have a sentence right here. So first, if we want to search for the eat words, we can use find features right here, or we could also use shortcut for find features with Control F. So let's input the eat word in here. Now in the sentence, you can see that the eat word was highlighted by text highlight color. Then next, for example, we want to find candies, for example. Okay, candies. Now you can see that it was highlighted. Now next, we have the replace feature, which is right here. It will open the dialog box for the replace feature. You can also find there's also find feature, replace feature, and go to feature, which is right now we are going to look at replace features. There's also a shortcut for this replace feature, which is Control H. Now let's test the replace features. Let's replace the word candies with ice cream. Ice cream word. Then there's two replace button. One is replace and one is replace all. This replace button replace the first candies word. Then if you click it again, it will replace the second candies word, so on until there is no candies word anymore. So let's test it out. Replace. As you can see, it was this. It means it blocks the candies word. It means the features take effect on this word. Now you can see that the candies word been replaced with ice cream. Let's test it out again. As you can see, the last candies word was replaced with ice cream word. After replacing the last candies word, the Microsoft Word give us a dialog box telling us we are finished searching the document. It means there is no candies word on this document anymore. So let's replace it back with candies. Now that we have tested the replace button, let's test the replace all button. As you can see, all the ice cream word had been replaced with candies word. For more control, click on More to access advanced options. You can match case to find exact capitalization or choose find whole words only to avoid partial matches. These options help narrow down your results precisely. So let's try match case. Match case means the word that is replaced will need to be precise, which means that, for example, in here there's candies, there's a capital in C, and if we were to, for example, write candies without a capital in C, then we will, for example, replace it with cabbage, for example. You can see because of the capital C in this candies is not precisely as the candies in this word sentence, it will not be replaced. For example, let's try it. No results found. Why? Because the candies in this input is not precisely the same as the in sentence. Now to fix it, you need to make it precise. For example, the capital C in here. Now let's test it. Now you can see the candies in this sentence. The first candies in this sentence changed to cabbage. Alright, then okay, that's it. And if this video helps, don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips here on Peter Labs, and thanks for watching.